Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to in this list, of course, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can see that I've spent 17 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, then the camera, phone. Here we've got the unlock and the notifications count. If you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and your device will transfer you to the dashboard connected with the screen time overall. Under it, you've got the list of apps used and the time spent on them. Or the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example settings or the camera or phone. Just tap on it and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.